Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of your old engine misfiring and vibrating like crazy? Well, I've got the solution for you, and it's called the Point Distributor Fit for Austin Princess 1976 by ADMCXFY. This distributor is a total game changer, and I'm excited to share with you why. With its easy setup and quick assembly, you'll be back on the road in no time, feeling the smooth engine operation and hearing the satisfying purr of your engine. The precise cylinder block mounting allows for direct replacement of faulty parts, making it a breeze to disassemble and assemble without having to mess with your engine bay wiring. You'll notice the difference immediately, as the distributor withstands high temperatures and vibrations, ensuring stable internal signal transmission and reducing driving problems like misfires and weak acceleration. By balancing ignition timing for each cylinder, it optimizes fuel combustion, and you'll feel the power and responsiveness of your vehicle as you drive. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed, as it's compatible with many older gasoline-powered vehicle models, making it a must-have for any car enthusiast. Whether you're restoring your classic ride or just need a reliable replacement part, this distributor is the way to go, providing a significant improvement in performance and reducing abnormal exhaust emissions. So why settle for a subpar distributor when you can have a top-rated one that will take your driving experience to the next level? Give the Point Distributor Fit for Austin Princess 1976 a try and see the difference for yourself, you won't regret it. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.